Hello everybody, this is GRLevel3 bringing you another software, not really review, just showcase. And this is GRLevel3 2. Not sure what version I'm on now, 2.6. So that is the current version that I am on, and yeah, this software is a little spendy, but this is 79.95. That's 79.95 on GRLevel3.com. If you are interested, I just got done recording the GRLevel2 analyst video, and yeah, I thought I better do this right away so that so that you can kind of compare. But yeah, right off the bat, you can see there's a big difference. There's the storm tracks right there. Like, I'm gonna pause it. I'm gonna go to this cell by Wellfleet, and yeah, you can see that it's 50% chance of severe hail and 100% chance of hail at that location. Size is 3/4 of an inch diameter. And then I'm gonna take away everything except for the warning boxes and the storm reports. This software has storm reports, which you can see right here in Trenton, Nebraska. They had 70-mile-an-hour, measured 70-mile-an-hour winds. That's what the M70 stands for. And source is Mesonet, so not entirely a trained spotter, but directly from a Mesonet station. But this was reported with by a trained spotter, as well as this, and there's no notes at the end. Oh, okay. There's something. That's nice. Trained spotter reported 5 miles northwest or northwest of McCook, Nebraska. And estimated 65 miles per hour winds. And they also commented near zero visibility in blowing dust. So there's that. And then we have the hail right there. What was that? Oh, it updated. Okay. And then 80-mile-an-hour dust reported by an emergency manager. That's like a cop or something. No. Well, this time it was probably emergency man. Oh well, duh. Sort of estimated 80-mile-an-hour wind gusts, and then I noticed over here there was some stuff. I saw this. Whoa, fleet. What? That I'm not sure what I think of that. That's saying 53 inches of sleet. I think that's a typo. And this is saying 4.75. I'm not sure what that's about. And then over here, sorry about the lag. I'm recording in 60 frames per second. Because this software kind of can handle it. Right over here in northern Nebraska, there's a funnel cloud reported by fire department / rescue, located 5 miles east and 4 miles north of Gordon, Nebraska. reported by the fire department. And yeah, this software has has textures of maps, so you can see, like, let's go to McCook, since, yeah, let's see. This version actually keeps loading in. That's good, for the most part. Gotta get the data in. There we go. Now we can see the aerial view of McCook, Nebraska. And yeah, it clears up further on. But let's get to the radar portion of it. Yeah, you do not need a powerful system for the software at all. Okay, that used to mean if this was colored, that nothing was, or that there was something like a TVS, tornado vortex signature. I don't know why that's colored. I'm not seeing one. And again, just like the GR2 analyst, this software does not come with this color palette. I made it. I actually had to transfer it over. I had to basically rewrite it on to make it compatible with version 2 of the Gibson Ridge products. And yeah, it looks like we have a brand new severe thunderstorm warning. Let's see who issued it. North Platte. That's the radar we are at right now. Let's go through, though, what it has. It's got the base reflectivity as well as composite, which, yeah, I'm not so much of a fan of, because, this is without smoothing. Looks bad. Just looks like somebody's on Microsoft Paint or something. Yeah, that bad. Let's see here. And then, yeah, the base reflectivity, this one, that seems like a little more high resolution, but this is level 3 data. It does not take as much data. It's not as high resolution. So this is more so what I use we use, my dad and I, when we go out the storms. Then we got base velocity, which, yeah, right now it doesn't look too bad. Go to storm relative, which, yeah, basically I'm still learning, even though I'm no longer in that program. Oh wow, that looks really weird. This looks cartoony. Maybe that's why I had that like that. I don't know. It's just a low resolution. Spectrum with differential reflectivity, which is part of dual polarization, which means that instead of the waves from the radar going, well, let me see if I have Microsoft Paint so I can draw it on for you. Okay, yeah, we are gonna have the radar dish. Some little thing sticks out like that. I am drawing on my screen, by the way. And then, yeah, we'll say that it's like that. There's the radar station. Yeah, and this is the radar station from overhead. Regular radar just reads like this. That's what regular radar reads. Just horizontal feeds, and then it goes, say this is the radar. it goes one scan at like 0 or 0.5 degrees, then another at 1.5. I know I'm really doing it wrong, but or not up to scale, but that's how it gets all the products with like the base reflectivity, which would be like that. That's being done let's see. Yeah, right at here at this radar site. It's going like that. That's how it's getting its reading. Now, I'm gonna set this back up to. Wow, there's new warnings coming along. But then let's go back to paint. But what dual polarization is, it has this, but also on top of that, it's going like that, vertical waves, which that helps with the density and with the returns more. Like the dual polarization products. Yeah, and that looks like an omelet right there, or an egg. Okay, so yeah, that's what that is. It's been a long time since I've read up on exactly what they do each product. Like here's correlation coefficient, which we go back here. Huh. Let's go to K, which that's differential reflected. No. Specific differential. One moment, I have to look it up. Okay, yeah, this product, I was right. ZDR is differential reflectivity. KDP is specific differential phase, and yeah, which what I look for is stuff like right here that gives an indication that there's more hail or stuff like that. Let's see, what site is that? Still north? Oh, this is Hastings now. That's this one getting ready to get that one going. And as you can see right up here, there's a 1-inch hail radar estimated. So let's go up first to HCA, which that's hydrometer classification, which that basically shows what type of returns it's getting. Now, I don't trust it. Let's see. There should be range rings. I forget how to get there, but melting layer, almost the same as range rings. Right in here, I trust it more so, but outside, because this is saying dry snow. It's not snow by a long shot. And we can actually confirm that by going to the regular radar right here, and then going to the precipitation type. And yeah, that's not a custom. This is a stock color palette, but yeah, this would show whether or not it's truly identifying as snow or whatever. Yeah, yeah, and then one moment I can go like that. It's lagging a little bit. Didn't like my drawing probably. Okay, then I can advance. See, look, right here it was 2.25 inches of diameter for hail. And also right then, that's when mesocyclone or whatever. Basically, some turbulence was in the air. Let's check velocity at that time. And yeah, if you get the product, you have to keep remembering to hit the download recent data button. Okay, yeah, kind of. But then, yeah. Okay. Now we'll go back to current times. And then we can go with rainfall. This is hour. 1 hour. So this site right here got radar estimated 1.68 inches of rain. Come on. And yeah, even more. Oh, damage? Yep. There's damage now. Train Spotter had had some shingles damaged on his roof. But yeah, right here though, 1 inch or over 1.5 inches of rain in an hour. Now let's go for 3 hours if this radar site supports it, and it does not. Storm total though, let's see here. Holding the shift key, yeah, that's about what they've gotten. The derived, this is Ecotops, which that's how tall the storm is. And how I'm getting that little pop-up, that's my control button. This is one of the new features on this version. So yeah, about 36,000 feet, 38,000 there in that cell. And yeah, small hail, a pea-sized hail reported in North Platte, or around North Platte. Yeah. Oh, wait, was there another? Yeah, then there's this vertical integrated liquid. Unfortunately, this does not have what I like of, the hail size thing like GR2 Analyst does. Then, yeah, we got global stuff and panels. Forgot to show this in the past one, but in the GR2 Analyst, but that also has that. But yeah, we have the data are now loading in, and it's looping. And that's the 4. Each run of these, like this is the same. This, yeah, they're the same time. Go back to one panel. And see, I can change the place file and, what's this again? Oh, yeah, like, okay, yeah. Kind of like soundings, but not. Well, soundings have that in a part of it. Place file manager. Oh, yeah. Let's see here. I'm gonna stop it. I'm gonna go to the most recent. See here what, now this is, spotters. Like each of these dots right here are spotters. And yeah, you can see where some spotters are, if there's any area. Now it's severe weather watch box. There should not be any right now, but mesoscale discussions, if it actually works, this might not. No. Okay, these might not work. Maybe it does. Yeah, that does. That says marginal. That says general. This is not. No. This is not up to date. Not at all. That's weird. Yeah, there's my recording software. Don't mind that. Now let's go over to Rapid City Radar. Check out what's all going on over here. Now, there's currently 4 severe thunderstorm warnings. I'll go to the warnings. Well, yeah, that's all down there. I didn't mean to do that, but oh well. See here. Wait, do I have storm spotters off? Yeah. What? Okay, that's weird. It's not showing the beginning of it. It's weird, but yeah, you can see. Let's see here. Echo tops. Let's see here. South of Valentine is at 40,000 feet. T for total rainfall. Right here. Ooh, total storm, total rainfall. That would be over 3 inches. Now, with what? With this color palette, yeah, just join my Discord, and which is linked in the description. Join my Discord, and then let me know if you want it. If you have Gibson Ridge products now and you want it, I can gladly send it to you. Which, yeah, that would be no problem. You know, one moment. I'm gonna actually just pull it up, and all its confusingness. Yeah, just to get in your head how interesting this is. Yeah, this is the color palette. Right here. That is what gives this. Yeah. I had to convert it from the first version of Gibson Ridge products, so yeah, that was interesting figuring that one out. But let me get this no zoom, and let's get it looping, because that is gonna do it for this episode-ish thing. I'm not sure what I would call it. But thank you so much for watching. Take care, have a great day, and I will see you in the next one.